With the toggles checked on to create drawing and show dialog, the create drawing dialog appears once the name boundaries are placed. Most of the dialog is populated with values from the Place Name Boundary tool. It is important to note that the drawing model is at the same scale as the design or default model. Measurements are in feet. The sheet models are at a 1:1 with the size of the sheets in inches. To create the sheets, the drawing model is referenced to the sheet model using the detail annotation scale of the drawing model. In other words, it is scaled down to fit on the sheet at the proper scale. Let's take a look at the Create Drawing tool for generating sheet models. Continuing in the cross-section sheet file, review the Create Drawing dialog. The mode is set from the named drawing boundaries. By default, the tool will create all the sheets as separate models in the active DGN file. If it is desired to create separate DGN files for each sheet, the toggle for one sheet per DGN can be toggled on. Under Drawing Model, the seed model is populated from the name boundary. If it is desired to create a separate DGN for the drawing models instead of placing them in the same file with the sheet models, the toggle can be checked on beside the option for file name. The annotation scale of the drawing model should match the design model and the scale of the sheets. If annotation groups are set up in the resources, a group can be set using the drop-down list option. There are several available within the KDOT workspace. Cross-section grid with annotation, the utilities, right-of-way and cable barriers, and with tight annotation. I'm going to select the cross-section grid with annotation. Under Sheet Model, the same is true for the seed model and file name options. The Sheets option allows for new, and if I had sheets, an option to add the drawing to an existing sheet. The annotation scale should always be set to full size 1:1. The sheet models are set up with the sheet borders at actual sheet size in inches. The drawing boundary and detail scale are populated from the name boundary settings. Options are available to add sheet index, make sheet coincident, and open model. Only open model should be checked on. Click OK. The file is processed. And your models are created.